Alright, very quickly now, let's go ahead and add some lines in this example.txt file. And that process is called appending. Again, you want to use the open method. And again, you may point to an existing file, or if that file doesn't exist, it will be created. And the argument you want to pass now is a. So that stands for appending. As you can observe now, in contrast to the previous lecture, our text file was emptied, but in this case we still have these 3 existing lines there. Again, you use the write method to add anything in there, line 4 or whatever, and normally the changes haven't yet been reflected in the atom editor, so you want to close that, and now you see line 4 added in there. And yeah, that was what I wanted to show you in this lecture, and yeah, I'll see you later.